Become the main event. Ready to unveil the natural beauty of your hair? Explore the wonders of Morrocco Method's Henna Hair Dye and set off on a journey that's truly your own. Our Henna Hair Dye isn't just about color, it's a celebration of your individuality and your method. Crafted from the finest botanical sources, it provides a gorgeous palette of shades to express your personal style while conditioning your hair. From colorless conditioning and gray blending blonde to daring red or earthy browns and black, Henna Hair Dye offers a spectrum of shades that complement every personality. And here's the best part, it's a true ally in your natural hair care journey.
So if you've been holding out on doing a henna treatment, it is awesome. Okay, there's no reason not to do it. It's chemical free, it's not gonna hurt your hair, it's not gonna break your hair.
We are excited to introduce Morrocco Method's My Hair Method campaign. Your chance to share your personal henna hair dye experience and earn big rewards in return. Here's how you can join the movement. Share your story. Unveil your personalized henna method. Tell us about the colors you've embraced, your secret tips and tricks, and the empowering transformations that all-natural hair dye has brought into your life. Before and after. Show the world your color transformation your hair has undergone with henna hair dye. Simply tag your public photos and story on Facebook or Instagram with hashtag MyHairMethod to enter. Everyone who enters will earn 500 rewards points, a token of our gratitude for sharing your journey. And the winning entry will receive 500 reward points along with a henna hair dye of your choice. Embrace the power of henna hair dye, where color meets care and self-expression meets celebration.